Hi, I am Jorge Gomez Casais, Principal Engineer and Applications Engineer in Data-Linc Group. We are Data-Linc Group, a telecommunications company providing more than 25 years of wireless and wire modem solutions. It includes different markets including water and wastewater, mining and metals, oil and gas, electric utilities, agriculture, transportation, and many more. Our headquarters is located in Issaquah, Washington, in the West Coast, and we cover also the East Coast from Rochester, New York. Provide industrial-grade products, excellent customer service and tech support, as well as propagation and path studies. With more than 25 years of experience in the wireless industry market, we provide top products in the unlicensed frequencies. That includes 900, 2.4 GHz, and 5.8 GHz. We're focusing now is in the edge computing with our 900 MHz on license-free, that is the SRM8200, promoting to use or switch from the polling response SCADA style to publish-subscribe MQTT style, allowing improved response times at least 300% or more. Also, the product 2.4 and 5.8 that we have increase over the air speed with up to 48 megabits per second, and this is in the 2.4 and 5.8 gigahertz, and they're Wi-Fi compatible, and also we provide cybersecurity as well as real-time monitoring. As we partner with Rockwell and vice versa, we give customers not only the communications backbone for their system, but also the Rockwell products needed for a successful project.